12x cubed minus 48x squared plus 30x all over that common or that denominator, and this is the second derivative. Now, what you have to do is you have to set it equal to 0, right? You're going to do that by factoring. You can factor out a 12x. Extend page. I made a dot. Get rid of the dot. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of the 12x. So you're going to do 12x cubed minus 48x squared plus 30x equals 0. And I'm going to let you take it over right here because you're going to factor out a 12x. And then you're going to get a quadratic equation in here, and you solve the quadratic equation with x squared minus 4x. And then, oh, I can't factor out a 12, can I? I can factor out a 3. That's probably what I meant to do. But you definitely can factor out the x. Let me undo that. Sorry about that. Nobody's perfect. Let's factor out a 3x then. Factor out 3x, and you get 4x squared minus 16x plus 10. Well, you know what? I could have taken a 6 out of each of those. Well, it doesn't matter. You got to solve this using the quadratic formula to figure out your intervals of concave up and concave down. But mostly, I wanted to help you with what is the correct second derivative. Well, the correct second derivative is right here, right? This is the correct second derivative. This is it. It's a beast, but you can get it. And I also wanted to help you with the correct first derivative, which is up here a little bit. There it is. There's the correct first derivative. This one right there. That's the correct first derivative. So if you have the correct first derivative and you have the correct second derivative, you can set them equal to 0 and find your intervals of concave up and concave down. And that's why the answers are so weird in the back of the book. All right, what you need to do is if you've made it through all of this, you need to print the page off of the internet with my YouTube website thing, and like shows like my page and where this came from off the internet. It needs to be in color, so you can't get a photocopy from somebody, and give that to me, and I'll see if I can find you some extra credit points. Talk to you later.